Is your Deebot T9 acting like it's had one too many? If your usually reliable cleaning buddy is now more of a stumbling spinning hazard, you're definitely not alone. We're seeing a lot of Ecovacs Deebot T9 owners experiencing issues where the driving wheel is compromised, and a broken side brush module is also a contributing factor. These complex machines need all their parts to work together. A damaged driving wheel can cause all sorts of navigation problems, and a broken side brush module can also throw things off balance, causing it to lose direction. This makes it hard for your T9 to map your home and clean efficiently. Attempting to fix a driving wheel issue and replace a side brush module on your own can be risky. You might accidentally damage other delicate components while disassembling the robot, and the side brush area is very sensitive and intricate. Forcing parts or using the wrong tools can easily cause further damage that's much more costly to fix later. Also, what seems like a straightforward wheel or side brush issue may have deeper underlying causes. You might fix one part only to find the problem remains, or have caused other issue, wasting your time and effort. So, you've seen the problem, and you know DIY isn't the solution. What's the easiest way to get your Ecovacs Deebot T9 with that driving wheel issue and a broken side brush fix? RoboCare has you covered with convenient options. Our highly skilled technicians at RoboCare have extensive experience in diagnosing and repairing these issues with the Ecovacs Deebot T9. We have the specialized tools and expertise needed to correctly diagnose and fix the problems safely and effectively. Simply book your repair online, and our expert technicians will handle everything. We offer convenient pickup and delivery options, or bring your robot vacuum directly to our service center. But we don't just talk the talk. Let's see the amazing results RoboCare achieves for our satisfied customers. Now look at that. The Deebot T9 is back to gliding across your floors, leaving every corner sparkling clean. No more spinning, no more struggling, just perfect cleaning. After we returned the robot to the customer, they said it worked like new again, so they were happy and satisfied. Contact RoboCare today and let us take care of your robot vacuum repair needs.